Hello, everybody. I'm Miss Metley, and I'll be your health teacher this trimester. This is going to be just a short intro video because I will see some of you in class next week, and I probably already met some of you online. So just a quick intro to what this class is all about. Now, this class went from a semester to a trimester this year, so we have a lot of material to cover in a short amount of time. So I'm just going to go over the different topics that we are going to cover this first trimester. We're going to start with the unit called Total Health. Many times when we think about our health, we kind of tend to focus on the physical part of a health, if we're in good shape, if we eat healthy, if we have good hygiene. But as we know, there are other parts of health too that are just as important as our physical, such as our mental health, our emotional health, and our social health. So in this unit, we will be covering things like decision making, how to deal with peer pressure, how to handle stress. And we all know right now is a pretty stressful time in our lives. So that's a really important topic we're going to be covering. And then we're going to get into the mental health issues such as depression, different types of mental illnesses, and then, of course, suicide. So it's a pretty heavy-duty topic unit this first few weeks. And then we're going to do just a short course on CPR and first aid. It's a little difficult, of course, for the people learning at home to practice CPR, but those of you in the hybrid will get to practice the mannequins. And then when we move into our drug unit, we'll learn all about the different types of drugs, but more importantly, we'll learn what happens if a person gets addicted to one, how can they get treatment, and how, of course, how to say no and the importance of that. And then, of course, we save the best for last, sex education. So this unit will cover the reproductive system, STIs, which stands for sexually transmitted infections, healthy relationships versus unhealthy relationships. Those are just a few of the topics we'll be covering. So if when you come to class, of course, these are the expectations: being respectful, resourceful, ready, reliable. Both hybrid and the BLAs will be starting every day with a bell ringer. So it's important that the first thing you do is answer that. On Schoology, that is also my way of taking attendance. If you have any questions, feel free to email me on Schoology or on my SoWash Co. email, whatever works best for you. Thank you. See you soon.